Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got here another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and transfer your TikTok drafts to another phone. So yeah, we will simply just dive into our video, and please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's step into our video. So if you want to do so, you're like, for example, you're changing your phone, right? Let's just go to our TikTok first. So for example, you're changing your phone and you would like to transfer all of your information. So apparently you will go to your TikTok and simply transfer all of the data. You will get logged in, and then you will have this kind of interface. Your posts will remain, your everything will remain, because that's saved in your account itself. But if you have created drafts over here, so what you can do is you cannot actually get them to another mobile, because that is saved in this mobile's storage, not in TikTok itself. So what you gotta do is instead you will just simply go ahead, tap on any of this. For example, if this one, simply go ahead and tap on this next and tap on this post, and this setting for the viewer is like, it's as you can see, it's everyone can view the post, right? Go ahead, tap on it and turn it to only you, so only you will be able to see this, and this will automatically will be saved to your gallery right there. And when you're cloning your phone to another while sharing all of the data, your galleries of photos and videos will simply be shared. So that's how you can simply go ahead and do it. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.